AI-powered natural language generation, NLG, is revolutionizing communication and content creation by harnessing the power of artificial intelligence. NLG algorithms analyze vast amounts of data and generate relevant and coherent human-like text for various applications. Chatbots equipped with NLG capabilities engage in natural and meaningful conversations with users, providing assistance, answering queries, and guiding decision-making processes. They can understand user intents, extract key information, and deliver personalized responses, creating seamless and interactive experiences. NLG also automates content creation, producing reports, summaries, and news articles from raw data. By leveraging AI algorithms, NLG systems can process complex information and transform it into easily understandable and concise narratives, saving time and resources in content generation. Furthermore, NLG plays a crucial role in breaking down language barriers. Real-time translation and interpretation powered by AI enable effective communication between individuals who speak different languages. This enhances global collaboration, fosters cultural exchange, and promotes inclusivity in today's interconnected world. NLG technology is also instrumental in promoting accessibility. Voice interfaces and audio content generated by NLG systems cater to individuals with visual impairments, providing them with equal access to information and enabling them to engage with digital content more effectively. Stay tuned for more in-depth insights into AI-powered natural language generation as we explore its advancements and applications. From chatbot intelligence to content automation and multilingual communication, we will delve into the diverse capabilities and impacts of NLG. Don't miss out on these valuable AI insights that can reshape the way we communicate and create content. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more insights on AI and natural language generation. Don't miss out on valuable AI insights. Thank you for watching.